Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a PS4 gamer dealing with laggy gameplay or slow downloads on Xfinity Wi-Fi, you're not alone. In 2025, with more devices hogging your bandwidth than ever, optimizing your connection is key to getting that smooth, fast experience you deserve. Today, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to boost your Xfinity Wi-Fi speed on your PS4. Let's dive in. First things first, start by testing your current internet speed. Head to the Xfinity app or website, run a speed test, and note your download and upload rates. This will give you a baseline to measure improvements. If it's below what you're paying for, it's time to troubleshoot. Next, restart your modem and router. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This quick reset can clear temporary glitches and improve signal strength. While you're at it, make sure your PS4 is also restarted to refresh its network settings. Now, let's optimize your PS4 settings. Go to Settings, Network, set up Internet connection, and choose to use a wired connection if possible. Ethernet cables are way more stable than Wi-Fi for gaming. If you're stuck with Wi-Fi, select the 5 GHz band on your router for faster speeds, as it handles high traffic better than the 2.4 GHz option. Don't forget to update your PS4's system software and any games you're playing. Outdated firmware can cause bottlenecks, so keeping everything current is crucial in 2025's tech landscape. Also, manage network congestion by limiting how many devices are connected. Maybe pause those smart home updates while gaming. If these steps don't cut it, contact Xfinity support. They might upgrade your plan or fix issues on their end. Remember, in 2025, features like Xfinity's advanced mesh networks could be game changers, so ask about that. There you have it. Easy ways to make your Xfinity Wi-Fi faster on PS4. Try these out and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.